Hey guys, what's up? This is Anukriti here and welcome back to my channel. So I've uploaded a makeup tutorial last week and I've got tons of comments from you guys asking me to do a hair tutorial on my messy bun. So there are lots of hair tutorial on messy bun, but I'm going to show you guys my version of messy bun. So let's just quickly jump into the video. So first I'm gonna go ahead and throw all my hair up and I'm going to secure them in a high ponytail. So you guys can go ahead and position your ponytail wherever you like, but I like my ponytail on the top of my head. So I'm just gathering all my hair roughly, and with the help of my hair tie I'm just going to secure them. Next, pull your hairs so that your ponytail is tight and secured. So as I already have my bangs, so I'm just gonna pull out my bangs, also some hair strands. So here I'm just pulling out some more hair strands beside my ear because I kind of like my bun to look more messy. So I'm just pulling out some more hair from my ponytail because I kind of like my bun to look more poofy, and this gives your bun more natural and voluminous look. Next I'm taking another hair tie and I'm just twisting my hair all the way down. Now just take your bun around where you have already made your ponytail. So I'm just going to secure my bun with the help of hair tie. So it doesn't matter if this isn't so neat, you just want to secure it down. Next, with the help of my U-pin, I'm just securing my bun. So I'm securing it from the back, from the side, or wherever I can feel that my bun is little loose. Next I'm just pulling some more hair to kind of give my bun more messy and voluminous look. After that, with the help of my hair straightener, I'm just going to straighten my hair strands. And that is how I do my messy bun. And I hope you guys like this hair tutorial, and I hope that this was helpful to you guys. And yeah guys, so the last giveaway winners' names are in my description box. So please guys go ahead and check out my description box to know the winners. And do let me know what you guys think about this hair tutorial. And if you're new to my channel, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends and comment down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.